Hey everyone. Well, either I've gone crazy or I'm gonna go viral, because I've just created a ceiling fan from hell. So, if you guys haven't seen my other crazy ceiling fan videos, you should go watch them now before watching this. But, I've gone overboard. Wood just didn't cut it, so I've gone with welding steel. So, uh, so this is what I got. So I got 3/16 inch by 1 1/4 of welding steel, which is, fairly thick. I mean, this whole thing is heavy. And it's been properly balanced. I've fortified the base as much as I can with L brackets. I don't know how many there, maybe 8, 10 L brackets. And I won't be doing any dropping on anything on it in this video, but this is just kind of an overview of it, I guess. So each one's held on the center by 4 bolts, and then the outer ones are double bolted to keep the arms at at all the same length, so it stays balanced. I'm using the same motor I did in one of my other videos, I think. It's a furnace blower. It spins at 3450 RPMs. The belt's kind of flimsy, but this belt actually provides less resistance than using a V-belt. And it's a belt out of a printer, but so it's got the reinforced string in it, or nylon, or whatever's in these flat belts. But it's strong enough to keep this thing going without issues. And I've got a couple others. I got an even thicker one than that. So I will spin it up for you. I have actually had this going at full speed. I've stress tested it in a safe area, and so I'm just going to show you guys basically what it sounds like and what it looks like when it's running. But like I say, I'm not actually dropping anything on it this time. This is just a show and tell. Alright, I'm going to spin her up now. I got my tachometer there so you can see the RPMs. I got my amp meter there, and I'm going to just bring it up with that. And just in case, I don't foresee anything happening, but I'm got my legs behind this thing full of metal vacuum tubes and stuff, so just in case. But I stress tested this quite a bit, and I don't think anything will happen. So with that being said, here we go. So I'll bring it up to about 80 volts. Now the motor's rated at 2.2 amps. There's 300 RPMs. 90 volts. Volts, 120 volts. There, 1000 RPMs. So, I have no idea when I'm actually going to get this outside and do some crazy stuff. I do have a few things lined up to drop onto it, but it's been so hot that I'm not doing anything outside. It was like 32 degrees just today, and that's without the humidity. So probably looking at 40 degrees Celsius. That's too friggin' hot to do anything outside. So until then, you won't see much of this. But just gives you guys something to look forward to, because you know, anything hitting something like this with this much mass and steel, it's, you know, crazy stuff is going to happen. So yeah, well, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe if you like this, and look forward to seeing some actual destruction videos with this crazy ceiling fan from hell.